Alright guys, this is after separating the ginger from the plant itself, its leaf, and this is the feeding roots. So right now we don't separate everything, so everything is in order. But right at this moment we're going to use the entire plant. We're not throwing away anything. This is the feeding root, which used to be sucking all the mineral, the nutrients, and push it into this ginger and also push it into this leaf. So these roots is what my grandmother used to be using and boiling and drinking for tea. All right? But before you do this, guys, make sure you speak to your doctor. All right? But the ginger leaf, we're not throwing it away. We're going to be using that. What we're going to do with this leaf, we're going to dry it and we're going to turn it to powder. So sometimes if you want to make some tea, you could make some tea. Or if you're cooking, you could shake a bit in your pot, just like how you're going to cut up the ginger and cook it. Put it in the pot, or you could use that and do the same thing. The ginger itself is going to be a little more poking, more stronger, but the leaf as well loaded with benefit. This, if you taste this, you're gonna naturally taste it just like you're tasting ginger. So we're not throwing away nothing. We put in everything to use. We putting up everything. We saving everything. You know what I'm saying? So yes, guys. So this is the the feeding root for the ginger plant. That's feed the ginger and also feed the stem. All right, so this is what we're doing. We ain't throwing away nothing. We using everything. But like I said, speak to your doctor first. All right.